Hello, I recently got a request over YouTube PM to make a tutorial on how to delete a file, make a little program that'll do it. So I've gone ahead and created a little GUI here. I have a text box, that's just text box 1. I set read only to true just so no one can type in their own thing. I'm going to have a browse button, set the text just to ... change the name to browse button. Then I have a delete button with text delete, and its name is delete button. And the first thing I'm going to do, this really isn't part of the tutorial, but I'm just going to write a real quick browse, find a file to browse for. Just browsing for a file. I set the initial directory just to open up to my H drive, which is a blank partition off my external hard drive where I'm just going to put the files for this tutorial. And if the user presses OK, then the text or the path is just going to go into the text box. Very simple. I think I have a tutorial already out on this. See, there we go. Alright, and now for the actual code, we are going to want to, let's see, let me bring up, this is my H drive, just with like 3 different files in it. Let's go ahead and do this, scroll out here. Let's see, there we go, I don't know what I was doing. Anyway. I just have a couple files in here, text with some text in, and then a funny picture off one of my websites. Yeah, that's funny. Alright, back to the program. Okay, so it's actually very easy to delete a file. You just have to take advantage of the file class. First thing you have to do, you have to enter this using statement using system.io. So if you try and just call a file like this, it'll yell at you, and usually you can just kind of scroll over it, click this, it'll automatically put that code right up there. Alright, so that's what we need. And in order to delete a file, we just call the file.delete and give it the path of the file, textbox1.text, and that's really all that needs to be done. Let's bring this over. Alright. So, where are you? Alright, so we're just going to show you, here's the H drive, H text, goodbye. There we go, it disappears. And let's choose this one, goodbye. There we go, it disappears. And then let's choose the picture, goodbye. There we go, completely gone. It's that simple to delete a file. And just as a kind of a side note, because that was a really short tutorial, the file can also do many other cool things. Can copy files, create files, delete files, encrypt and decrypt, just a bunch of stuff, move, open, all these sorts of things. You might want to just play around with some of these things, and if you have any questions on them, just send me a message and I'll help you out. I'm just going to create a file. See, don't really need to put anything in there, but see, it just creates it. And if I can't actually press it twice because it's already being used by the file class. And I mean, that's a very quick tutorial on how to create a file using C#. If you'd like to know any more tutorials, make sure to leave a comment on my video or send me a message. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm actually reading the private messages now and making tutorials. I wasn't doing that for a while because I was super busy. And that's about it. C#, Java, security, internet tutorials, anything. I can pretty much handle it. Make sure to visit the website in the description because they're awesome. Follow me on Twitter, blah, 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 blah. Quackware signing out.